guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to install Pixelmon for Minecraft. And for those of you who don't know what Pixelmon is, it is a great mod that is basically Pokemon implemented into Minecraft and a few other things. And I've been doing a series of it on my YouTube channel. I'm also starting up a server called Pixelmon.net. As you can see, I'm on my official website right now, www.pixelmon.net. And to be perfectly honest, I've been being spammed by people saying, how do we install this mod? How do we join the server? So I've decided to make a guide for everyone. If you're a Minecraft or modding pro, you'll just want to watch the start of this episode. I'll do a quick summary of what I'm going to include and give you all the needed files for the installation. And then if you're a total noob at computers, don't worry, I'll keep going into more and more detail as the video progresses and do a full step-by-step guide by the end of it, so everyone will get to enjoy this great mod. Alright, so to get started, you can go to pixelmon.net, and I've actually written a tutorial on this page right here that says install mod. You just go ahead, click that page, and it has a written tutorial and the video that I'm currently recording now below it. The video is not there at the moment. Well, it will be there by the time you get to it, is the point of it. But anyway, there's text steps right here. And if you're a pro, go ahead, pause the video. You can read these steps. You can go to the website yourself, read the steps and work through them. All you need is 2 files. The latest Pixelmon download, or not the latest, depending on what you want to install, and the Forge download. You want to install Forge, then you want to install Pixelmon. As simple as that. There's some steps right here, but I'm going to continue going into more detail to teach you exactly how to do it. And if this forum is down for whatever reason, don't forget, or if the links need updating, I'm going to try my best to update them as soon as I can. And most likely they will always be updated, but don't forget you can always Google it. Just say you want Forge, type Forge download. Bam, it's the first link. Congratulations, you did it, you're a Google searcher. You can find everything on Google, and don't worry, it'll also be in the description, so make sure to check it out. These are the 2 files you want, Minecraft Forge, and this one is the latest Pixelmon, so Pixelmon 2.3.1 is what the latest one currently is for me, and this works with 1.6.2, so that is what I'm going to be teaching you how to install today. We're going to be going to recommended 1.6.2, and where you're going to click the installer, and that'll download a file. That'll download Forge for 1.6.2, fairly obvious. And yeah, you just want to click the installer one. All these other links are irrelevant. Changelog, you don't need to care. You just want the installer so you can install Forge for 1.6.2. Bam, click it, done. I've already got it downloaded here at the bottom of my screen, as you can tell. Then you want to go to the Pixelmon link and download this. There'll be a little, I've already downloaded it, so it's still not downloading, but there's a big green download button right here. I'm going to refresh the page, see if it comes up. And yep, there it is. Download, right there. You just click it, you'll get the Pixelmon file as well. But see, I've already pre-downloaded them because of my terrible internet. I didn't have time to download it while recording. And yeah, we continue on with the installation guide. So download the Forge installer, make sure to download Minecraft and run the latest version you're installing Forge for at least once. So by that I mean, make sure to have your Minecraft already pre-downloaded. Make sure to double click to run it. Hang on, it's just on my second screen. I'll drag it over. And you want to basically go, pretend you didn't see that, but right here, I have a profile that is on 1.6.2 and I need to click play. I need to click play and log into a server or single player world at least once to generate the files I needed in my .minecraft, like on my local machine. So make sure to play normal Minecraft first, at least once, before you go into installing the mods and Pixelmon. So yeah, run 1.6.2 at least once, you're good to go. You can exit Minecraft after that. Then you'll want to go ahead and get the first file you downloaded. So this is Minecraft Forge. This is what I downloaded from this website by clicking the installer for 1.6.2, which is what Pixelmon currently is compatible with. That's why we're downloading that. We would download 1.6.4, and if you're watching this in the future, there might even be 1.8, 1. Whatever, and you'll just have to work out which one is compatible with the Pixelmon mod. At this current stage, it is 1.6.2. I'll try and update this page with the latest, what the Pixelmon's used for, so as you can see it's the title of the video, but yeah, alright. Straight into that. These are the 2 files we downloaded. This first one It's basically an executable program that you just have to run once. So as if I double clicked this, it would open in Notepad, but for you, double clicking it might open it in Java and it might work for you straight away. But if it doesn't work for you and it does have a little notepad or something else that it's opening up with and it's not working for you, just right click it, go open with Java. So mine is Java, TM, platform, SE binary. Yours could be named whatever, but as long as you open it in Java, you're good to go. Bam, you click open and this appears. Mod system installer. Then all you have to do, tick the box that says install client, click OK. This link here is where it's installing it to, which is my .minecraft folder. You might want to keep that link in mind for easy access for installing the mod. But yeah, you just click install client, OK. This little box appears, and it installed nothing for me because I just clicked it a while ago and I've already been playing Pixelmon. But for you, it'll say it grabbed like 20 libraries, and bam, that'll create a libraries folder in your .minecraft with all the latest Forge stuff. And bam, Forge is installed. If you want to test that, open up Minecraft, and then it'll automatically create a profile for you. So you can click the little arrow, and it should say Forge. And if you click it, you should just be able to log in with your existing user or whatever you want. And down here it says 1.6.2 Forge. I've successfully installed it. It's made itself a brand new profile automatically named Forge for ease of use. And I can go ahead and click play and play Minecraft Forge now. But we have no mods loaded because we haven't installed Pixelmon yet. So we're not going to do that at the minute. We're actually going to install Pixelmon. And there's a few, this is where it starts to get a tiny bit difficult for those of you who are not very good at computers, but basically, if you have WinRAR or some unzipping program installed, you just double click it, bam, you're good to go. If you don't have any like WinRAR installed, you could Google it to get the download for that. If you don't have anything installed, Windows actually has a default program called Windows Explorer. So you can open it up, bam, there you go. There are the two things you downloaded from the Pixelmon site, which was the second download link, which was this one right here. They're the files you downloaded from there. And you can just go ahead and drag them onto your desktop, drag them into a folder, put them wherever you want. It's really simple. It's basically just wherever you have access to them. I have access to them right here, so I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to leave it on the side of my screen. And now I'm going to try and get to my .minecraft folder. There's a few ways of doing this, but I'm going to use the run program. If you use Linux, Windows XP, any of the older versions of Windows, run was extremely popular back then, and it used to be in the start menu in the bottom left. You just clicked it and clicked run. So, and then you just want to type %appdata%, click OK, and that'll open you up in appdata folder, appdata roaming, and then bam, right at the top you will see .minecraft. Double click that. You are now officially in your .minecraft folder, and this is where you'll want to install the mods. And to install the mods, you just highlight these two folders, drag them into your .minecraft folder, click OK, override if there's something already there, or if you haven't installed any mods before, there'll be nothing there already. So you just click, you just drag it in or copy, done, finished. Simple as that. That is it. You have officially installed Pixelmon. Congratulations, guys. I'm going to tell you another way of getting to your .minecraft folder if you didn't know. That run thing disappeared, but if you go to the bottom left-hand side of your screen, I can't actually show you because it's on my other screen. If you click the little search box, it'll pop up with the normal thing and it says like program files or something like that. Yeah, it says all programs down the bottom left, and it says search programs and files, and you just type in there, %appdata%, bam, that'll pop up with the roaming folder right here, and you can access your .minecraft from that. It's really simple. It's literally just this directory. You could manually type it in and it would also work. See this exact directory here? You just have to change the name Hades to whatever you've named yourself on your computer. And bam, that'll take you to the .minecraft folder as well. There's basically 100 ways to get here. Once you get here, drag the files in, you're good to go. As simple as that. Let's do a quick test now of this to make sure it all worked. And if it didn't work, you can verify it here. There should be libraries, which was installed when you use the Forge installer. and there should be mods and database which are from Pixelmon. In here, I've got a whole bunch of other random mods that I could probably delete. These were really old school. Look at that, they were made ages ago, but there we go. There's the Pixelmon mod that we installed. We just dragged it in. See, that was in this folder. Bam. That matches up. So that's Pixelmon installed. And in the database, this is just the Pixelmon database for their MySQL or SQLite, it looks like, database. They might even be changing this in the future. So if you're worried about looking for this file in a future version of Pixelmon, I have a feeling they'll be getting rid of it because this is a really old way of doing it. So they might be replacing this, but who knows. For now, you should have these 3 folders here after you've finished installing. And we're going to go ahead and test it. By opening up the good old Minecraft, bring it up on the screen. We'll want to go to the Profile Forge, click play. Wait till this loads up. Drag it onto my second screen. Please don't go full screen. Oh, it didn't go full screen. What's this? There we go. There it is. So once you've opened Minecraft and clicked the Forge profile, it should say all of this on the side, 4 mods loaded. And if we click on mods, it has the Minecraft Coder Pack, Forge Mod Loader, Minecraft Forge, and Pixelmon. All of these were installed with the Forge file, like just double clicking it and clicking install, automatically installed these. And the Pixelmon is just the mods that we dragged into the .minecraft folder. Once you've checked you've had all that, you're pretty much good to go. Join a server. I am going to join my own server here. See, it's pixelmon.net is the IP. Scroll down a little bit. Pixelmon.net. I've got a billion IPs there, but whatever. Pixelmon.net is the one I'm going to be testing to join. And these are my other servers, hub.hadescraft.com, mc.minefrenzy.com. All the IPs will be in the description if you want to check out my Pixelmon server or my other servers. And as you can see, it says in red writing 1.6.4 is the server here. If you had followed this tutorial and the Pixelmon server you want to join says that in the red writing 1.6.4, that means you just have to update to the latest Forge, pretty much. That means that the servers have been updated since I released this video, and you just need to go back to the Forge page, which is right here, and download the new one, so 1.6.4 or 2.0, whatever it is when you're watching this video. Just install the earlier one first, and then install the later one if it does happen to have the red writing there. It's really simple fix, guys. And yeah, of course it'll all be updated on the install mod side of my website right here. I'm keeping this up to date. Let's go ahead and join the server. I'll give you a quick tour, a sneak peek. This server was actually just released for beta, and actually recording it with Bandicam is extremely laggy, as you can probably see. But I'm going to quickly log out here and change the fraps, and I'll be right back so you guys can have a quick sneak peek of my server, and we'll give this a little test run. Alright guys, I switched screen recorders over to Fraps, and I'm on the Pixelmon.net Minecraft server, which also happens to be the exact same IP as the website, which we have forums and installation guides and help for Pixelmon, so make sure to check that out, and that'll also bring you here. But the server is currently in beta testing mode at the moment, for a few reasons. The first reason is it is not quite finished, but you can go ahead and go onto the forums and donate to become an official beta tester. And if you do decide to help the server as it's starting out and become a beta tester, you not only get early access to the server and a higher chance of becoming a gym leader or staff, but you also get a free Porygon. That little Pokemon right there does not spawn naturally in the game, so only beta testers will get it. It'll be extremely rare and worth a lot once this server goes live for everyone, which it will. At the moment, it is under $10 to join and become a beta tester. If you go to pixelmon.net and click donate, you can become a beta tester. But it'll eventually be free for everyone, and that'll be a few weeks from now at least, because we are rebuilding the Kanto map. At the moment, this is Pallet Town. If you remember the game, it didn't quite look just like this, but we've made it a 3D feel and more server orientated. So that would be Professor Oak's lab, that would be your house, that'll be the other house. And it's basically the same layout over there, Cinnabar Island, the Ice Islands, whatever they're called, and whatever, you get the point. It's basically a totally remade version of the Kanto map. I'll say thanks guys to those that spawn. because they came out to the front of spawn because they knew I was going to be recording and they wanted to show off their beautiful looking Pokemon. The beta testers have done a really good job of testing the whole map, and we're doing a lot more progress. We're installing a lot more things. We've got exclusive stuff for donators coming out. That guy in chat just donated for Pokemon Trainer. He gets more warps, kits with free Pokeballs, super potions. You can have running shoes to run faster on the land. Tons of stuff, guys. Over here is the first town. I don't know if we've labelled them yet. No, we've still got to do labelling. But over here is the Pokemon Center, where you can heal your Pokemon by just right-clicking on these. And it goes, dun, 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 and it heals your Pokemon up. Both mine were full health, though, so I actually didn't need to heal them, but I healed them anyway. We got the PC. If you catch more than 6 Pokemon, then you can start storing them up in your boxes, just like the real game. Up the top here, we got trade machines, so you can trade with your friends, ender chests. These anvils are special anvils for Pixelmon, so you can create Pokeballs if you kill bosses and get the loot. Of course, the Elite Four is that direction. I think Victory Road or whatever. That's half built. It actually goes into a little cave system there, and that's still being worked on. But over here, let's turn my speed up so we can cover this map real quick. If we keep going up, we got Viridian Forest here. That's finished. We got the whatever that building's called. That's the one that links you up with the path back. This is Diglett Cave. We have another town over here. This is the town with the museum at the back. I'm probably going to put a fossil cleaner in here eventually, so you can clean up your fossils, and if you happen to donate for them, you could get Aerodactyls and things like that. Over here is the gym. There is a gym exactly where the gyms are in all the games, so if I fly up, you might recognise it a bit more. It is based off the game. That's where the gym is in the game, that's where the Pokemon Center is, that's where the museum is, etc. You want to come in here to battle your gym leaders, and go down here. There's little arenas for the gym leaders to teleport you to do more battles. And to become a gym leader, you can apply on the forums. It keeps going. We've built so much of the map. Have a look at this, guys. It keeps going over here. Come on, map, load up. There's the next cave that is still currently being worked on. It's closed off at the moment. If I go back to spawn, I'll quickly show you over the water. So over to the bottom of Pallet Town. I think this is, or whatever, you get the point, guys. Here's another island, more stuff. There's the mansion. Over here is where Articuno spawns, down in those cave systems. Over here, it keeps going around, all the way around. Follow the buoys. This way. There we go. There's some more towns, Pokemon centers, the gym, the Pokemart, the Safari Zone. The Safari Zone is going to be really good because it's got lots of different biomes in it. So lots of different Pokemon will spawn here. And this will be the only place in the game where Mew will spawn. Because Mew spawns randomly in jungles. I highly doubt it will ever spawn. But who knows, if the server's up long enough, you might get a random Mew spawn in there. So, yeah, it's still being worked on, as you can see. We've still got to build this direction out and so on and so forth. But the server is definitely progressing. It is looking amazing. We have tons of supporters already. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the server, now that you all know how to install Pixelmon. Okay, guys, don't forget pixelmon.net. Links will be in the description. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you later.